Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Bitcoin wallet address. First, understand that a Bitcoin wallet address is like your personal mailbox for receiving digital currency. It's a unique string of letters and numbers, typically between 26 and 34 characters long, that allows others to send Bitcoin directly to you. This address is essential for any transaction where you are the recipient, ensuring your funds arrive safely in your chosen digital wallet. Next, you'll choose a wallet. Software wallets like those for your phone or computer are popular for their ease of use and accessibility. Hardware wallets such as a Ledger or Trezor provide superior security by storing your private keys offline, ideal for significant amounts. Exchange wallets are simple, but remember, you don't fully control your private keys there. Consider your security needs and how often you plan to access your Bitcoin. Now let's generate your address. Once your wallet is set up, open the application and look for a receive or deposit option. Clicking this will instantly display your unique Bitcoin address. It's a long string of alphanumeric characters, sometimes accompanied by a QR code for easy scanning. Always double-check that you're on the correct network, typically Bitcoin, before copying this address. This is the exact information you'll share with anyone sending you Bitcoin. Finally, let's talk security. Always double-check the address you're using, both when sending and receiving, to prevent costly errors. Your private keys and seed phrase are the ultimate access to your funds. Never, ever share them. For enhanced privacy, many wallets allow you to generate a new receiving address for each transaction, which is a good practice. Keep your wallet software updated and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.